Yeah, come here. Reach over here
Uh-huh.
and hand it to them. There you go. Let's get some more. Get all their toys. Let's get all their toys and throw it to them so they'll have their choice. There you go.
Yeah. That one's no good, huh?
That's a good one.
For the puppies.
Can you give it to Ben and Sam? Give it to the doggies.
Look, they're waiting on it.
Look.
They're waiting. Good job.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, way to go.
Look. Give them the ball. Go give them the ball.
Clunk.